Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'm going to show you the Singapore 1976 second birth series $50 banknotes. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us about it. So for these notes, the second birth series is issued between 1976 and 1984. And the size for these $50 notes is 157 mm times 75 mm. The printer for these notes is Thomas DeLaRue. That is what TDLR stand for here. And the type of signature for these notes only got one type, which is belong to Mr. Hon Sui Sen. Hopefully I pronounced it correctly. I'm not a Singaporean, sorry if there's any Singaporean here watching. Now, according to this book, there seems to be two types. One is a security line, which is a straight one. Another one is a security line broken. And both also got replacement notes. Seems like the one with straight line, not sure. Seems like the general prefix is A/1 to B/41, but I guess can only know the difference by looking at the security line. Do forgive me, I'm not really an expert in Singapore, just doing it because some Malaysian collect Singaporean notes. But for the straight line, there's one replacement note Z/1, and for the broken one, there's two types of replacement notes. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. And also please take note that the price here is in ringgit, not in Sing dollar. Now if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Alright, let's take a look at the notes. This is how the front of the notes look like. Let's take a closer look. So the bird used for these notes is a white rum shama. Here is the other side of the nose design. Let's take a closer look. Like those in the 7080, there's a printer name here, Thomas DeLaRue Company Limited. So I'm sure you noticed the book talking about security line. The security line they're referring is actually this one. I'm going to pause the video for a while to show you the security line. As you can see, there's the security line. This is definitely the broken type. Unfortunately, I only can able to show one because getting one of these notes is not cheap. See, especially if it's in ringgit here. You pause the video again. So remember, if you want to check your notes belong to which type, is look at this line. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.